Hey guys, today we're talking about iOS 11.4. Today I wanted to give you guys a follow-up video on how the software has been performing. I've had it installed on this iPhone 10, and a lot of you guys have been tweeting at me and sending me all kinds of bugs and glitches and hiccups that you see within the software. So I thought making a video follow-up for you guys and discussing these things, maybe we can get a conversation going in the comments down below and everybody can see what some of the issues are happening right now with 11.4. Starting with battery. So if you haven't watched my battery test, links will be in the description. In that video, you can see that the battery has dropped on all devices, and primarily the biggest drop was on iPhone 10. We see about an hour less of battery time, of on-screen time with 11.4 in comparison to previous software, and that is to be expected. Remember, this is a beta software, 11.4 beta 1, and hopefully these issues will be addressed in the future before the official release. But a lot of you guys are facing battery issues, and yes, it is something that's currently happening in 11.4, but hopefully we'll see a fix for that. And other issues that I've been having personally have to do with Bluetooth, maybe connecting to an external speaker, connecting to Apple Watch, my car's stereo. There's a delay. Sometimes it fails, it doesn't connect, or it connects and then it disconnects. Delays from iPhone to Apple Watch with notifications and vice versa. I'll receive a text message, it'll show up on the Apple Watch, I'll look on my iPhone, I don't have the notification, I go in here, I don't see anything, I'd have had to close the messages application and then relaunch it, and then I can see the notification. So constant delay between connectivity and communication through Bluetooth is something that I've been personally experiencing with 11.4 as well. In terms of services and other connectivity issues, I have also experienced where someone would call me and I would answer and I couldn't hear them. I would have to put it on speaker and then I can hear them. Okay, and then I would turn off my iPhone and call them back, or have them call me back, and it'll start working again like normal. I can hear the person without having to putting my phone on speaker. But there's an issue here with audio and connectivity in general with 11.4. So if you're experiencing that, you're not alone. Also, if I delete a message thread within the messages application, it'll delete and it'll freeze the application, and I would have to close it again and relaunch it. That may have a little bit to do with the messages in the cloud that Apple had re-enabled. Again, one of the features that, in my opinion, is giving Apple some problems because they continue to remove it from official releases of the software and bring it back within betas, which tells me they're still working in that aspect of the OS, because obviously it looks like there's some issues there as well. But anyway guys, that's everything that I wanted to share with you guys. I want to get your thoughts in the comments down below. What kind of issues have you been experiencing? And if you have, and you do have the feedback application, go ahead and submit those issues to Apple so we can get this software, you know, polished up before its official launch. We still have plenty to go with this software. I don't think this software will be released until maybe the summer months. We'll have to wait and see. It's only beta 1 as of right now, so there's a long ways to go. There you guys have it, a quick follow-up on 11.4 and some of the issues currently within the beta. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.